Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can invite friends in Poppo Live. Now you just need to open the app on your phone. Okay, this works on Android and iPhone, so just open the app. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So this is the app, this is the Poppo Live, as you can see here. Now just need to click on it. Okay, so after guys you click on it, just wait a few seconds, and after that you just need to skip the ad if you see here an ad or anything in the top here. Okay, so after you are guys on this page, you just need to click here on your profile. Okay, here as you can see, hopefully you can see it guys, just click here at the very bottom right. Okay, so after that you want to click on invite, and now after guys you click on invite, as you can see, now you can see the benefits of inviting someone. As you can see, can earn up to $14. The more you invite, the more rewards you will get, as you can see. Now here you will be able to find the number of invites. Now when you invite your friend, when you come back to the invitation page here, you will be able to see the number of friends you invited here. Okay, as you can see, available for today it's 0. Now I have not invited anyone today, as you can see here. Okay, so what you guys need to do to invite your friends, you just need to click here on invite now at the very bottom, and now you can choose which template you want. Now in my case I'm going to choose this template, as you can see. Now if you click here on share, you will be able to share it with someone on WhatsApp directly, or you can share it on Facebook, or you can send it to your friends via Messenger or Instagram, or you can also copy the link. Just click on copy link. Now you want to go to your friend's WhatsApp, and then paste the link there. Just like paste, and then this is the link, as you can see. Okay, so or you can send it, like I said, directly to your friend, as you can see. Just need to click on share and then click on WhatsApp. It's going to take you directly to WhatsApp, and then find your friend and then click share. And that's exactly guys how you can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone guys. Drop your comment below and drop a like, and see you guys next tutorial.